as the virus continues to be out there in nature, it mutates and things change about it. And sometimes that causes it to be more transmissible.
The Delta variant is spreading in Indiana, and health officials say that should concern anyone who hasn't had their COVID vaccine. In fact, Indiana saw a spike in cases today. The Department of Health reports 463 new cases, the most we've seen in 3 weeks. 16 new deaths were reported too. Thank you for choosing us tonight at 6. I'm Brian McElhat.
And I'm Christy Miller. A local health commissioner says the rising number of the highly contagious strain of COVID-19 in the Midwest means we will see an uptick in cases. He talked with ABC 21's Corinne Rose.
We are seeing every week the Delta variant becoming an increasing proportion of the variants.
Huntington County's health commissioner says in our 6-state area, the highly contagious Delta variant of the coronavirus now accounts for 21% of new COVID-19 diagnoses. While it's not the predominant strain of the disease in the Hoosier state yet, he's concerned because it's taking over in states like California and Missouri, where more and more mostly unvaccinated people are hospitalized with COVID. Indiana may not be far behind. Dr. Flieger says most people who wanted to get vaccinated have been, but he believes a significant number of people would if it were easier to get the shot, like from a mobile clinic at their job. That's why he thinks having vaccine doses at doctors' offices is going to be a big step.
When a person is able to have that conversation with their doctor and get the shot right there, that's a huge win for the patient because they feel like there's that trusted relationship to be able to ask their questions in a really good way.
He says the vaccines are proving effective against serious cases of COVID-19 and says the more people are vaccinated, the less chance the virus will continue to mutate and spread.
With the Delta variant, you're more likely to spread it to more people than before. So before, maybe you'd spread it to 2 to 3 people. With the Delta variant, it's definitely like 3 people, maybe more. And so you're putting other people at risk. And that's what this is all about, is how do we just prevent the spread from happening? How do we keep people in schools? How do we keep people at work?
He says while it feels great to be outside and with other people, you shouldn't let your guard down completely.
This is a community effort, and we're all tired of it. Everybody is, but we're fighting a virus, not each other.
Corinne Rose, ABC 21.
And as far as wearing a mask, Dr. Flieger says if you're vaccinated and you're outdoors, like at a festival, you don't need to wear one unless you want to. But he recommends that people who haven't been vaccinated to wear a mask, especially if they're indoors.